Mas tumbler.
May pwedeng paabot man kang tumbler mo.
Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel, and we are here now again at Siruma CudeCAD for the third time. So last time on my last video, nandun tayo sa Mercedes, sa Apuao na naman tayo sa CudeCAD. So we're going to the second hill, magpipicture lang sila, then mag-clip, kukuha na ako ng konting clips, and yeah, let's see what will happen for today. And I'm going to enjoy this because I have my college friends with me. Later I'm going to introduce them sa inyo para at least sa mga next clip ko or next video that andito sila, kilala niyo na sila. So yeah, update you later. Bye! Guys, so we're back. I'm back here at the cabin. So wala akong dalang tent kasi I thought okay pa tong cottage na to, na open lang siya and pang duyan. Pero we are surprised nung pagpunta namin dito, enclosed na siya, and there are three beds. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. Dito kasya dito yung dalawa. And maybe 4-4 na tao ang kasya dito. So I just have to go to sleep because I'm not feeling well. Para later, I can join them for the socializing. Basta yun. So, yeah. Good night, guys.
Be a superhero and act out the superhero without talking. First person to guess correctly. Siyempre, di man ito na i-guess. Nagaroon ako tanga. First person to guess correctly, pick someone to drink.
Ikaw mo naman, gabi ka naman dyan ay.
No seal. Ayun yun.
Batman.
Perfect!
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Okay. Last person to drink, pick someone to drink. Mario! Sabi na!
Pick someone to drink.
Pick someone else! Last drink. Last to drink. Ayaw mo yan, Maria.
Back to you.
Yung talagang karma.
Ayan.
Ano? Sabi sa'yo mo, hindi ko magparaan.
Make a change, just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl like this. Settle down.
Recently, I've been listening to podcasts.
Yes. Tapos, ito yung parang sabi niya, minsan kasi yung pain, we tend to look at it as negative. Ayoko niyan. Ayoko, hindi ko in-honor kasi it's something that's negative, it's very painful. Ayoko maramdaman. So, I don't honor it. Kaya, hindi. Dinidecline ka. But, the thing is,
I hate drama.
ang key dun is, pero you have to
graduate ako sa drama.
like savor the pain. Just
Feel the
as
pain
the same
until it
as
hurts no
I savor
more.
happy.
Yes. Sabi mo yan,
Actually, we're celebrating, we're happy. You have to live this same level as you level the happiness that you expect. Dapat i-level mo din sa pain. Kasi the moment na i-acknowledge mo siya, the same as it goes. Kasi duman mo lang ma-experience na, kaya kung ko lang dapat mo. Kasi it's part of growth.
Kaya di ba sabi nila, ang pinakatama is to forgive is not to forget.
Kasi doon ka lang makakano.
It's not to forget. Yun talaga
dapat
sabi.
kasi pala dapat in-express sa kanila yun na broken ako.
Sabi ka iba ganyan, not to forgive is to forget.
Broken ako ng NDR na dapat kami na perde pa din. Kasi art na kanila. Just imagine, i-umit mo yan. Wala ka ngayon.
Pinaslip ko na siya maamay pa
Hindi mo marirealize na life is worth living pala na outside relationship.
Ibang
May ibang
yun,
tao
ibang
pa
level
pala.
ng maturity na pag
May iba pa
ina-acknowledge
pala
mo ang
na makulang
negativity.
siyang tao na yaw hindi sa mundo.
Kaya di ba, if maka-try ko mag-therapy, sabi ka ko ka
Kasi
psychologist,
it's like breaking the
pag
walls.
negativity, pag pain, ayaw natin.
Breaking the walls and
Ayoko,
seeing a lot
ayoko,
more people who will love you for you.
Kalimutan ko.
we don't see what lies beyond that pain.
Oh my God, I'm so healed! Charot.
Actually,
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today is a Sunday. It is April 6 and it's around 6 in the morning or 7, I don't know. The sun is rised already. Tama ba? Basta ayun na yung sun. Maganda na yung image ng sun dito. The sun is sunning. Okay, so as I said, welcome to the day 2 of our travel experience here at KidCad Siruma. Actually, this is my 3rd time going here. The same with Star Mark Travel and Tours. Yung first 2 ko is sa kanila din, but I'm with Total Stranger talaga by that time. I guess yung kilala ko lang doon is 3 or 4, but the rest of them is new to me. So, for my 3rd time, there's a lot of things na nangyari kahapon. Shocking revelations, maraming pinag-usapan about life, experiences, future plans na magandang napag-uusapan. And then, yun nga, may mga heart-to-heart talk yesterday, which I've realized hindi lang pala ako naka-experience nung bagay na na-experience, especially when it comes to work, family, and friends. So, makikita nyo lang yan doon sa previous clip before this one. So, yeah, just an update also guys. So, kung sino yung may sakit kahapon, walang iba kundi ako. Yes po. So, pagbaba namin sa jeep kahapon, I guess it's because of the temperature. Medyo nahilo ako sa jeep. Then pagbaba ko, I feel something na piling ko magkakalagnat ako. And it turns out, that is correct. Nagkalagnat ako kahapon. And then, because of that, na-enjoy ko naman yung event kahapon. Na-enjoy ko kasi every after 30 minutes or an hour of resting, bumabalik ako sa kanila. I don't want to go to sleep naman. And then let them enjoy kasi feeling ko yung presence ko will give something or a flavor sa pinag-uusapan nila. And then hindi ako pag-joke kahapon ng matindi kasi ngayon may sakit tayo kasi pumipintig yung ugat ko dito sa ulo. And yeah, but nakatulog naman tayo for 2 hours and that's enough. That's already okay. So, ngayon, gusto ko magpapawis para mailabas ko yung lagnat or yung sakit ko. I guess that is the only thing that I can do right now. I drank medicine na yesterday. Yeah, may sipon ako. So, this particular event just made me realize something, that you have to cherish those friends na laging andyan sa'yo, whether happiness or sadness, yung mga one call away friend mo. And I'm very lucky that Ate Steffi, Daet, or Angie, and Kuya Mario is always there na once I asked to go out with a coffee, gusto ko makipag-coffee sa kanila, once they're free, they make time. Kasi sabi ko nga, wala naman akong nakakausap sa bahay. So, sila talaga yung vent outan ko ng mga bagay-bagay. Kahit chismis na yung pinag-uusapan namin, alam namin, deep inside, meron kaming gustong i-share that we can just share it already to the point na iba na lang yung pinag-uusapan namin. At some point, yung stress na is nalalabas din namin, but in a different avenue or different way of sharing things. So, now that Ate Steph is here, hindi na nakapag-jogging ng 4 consecutive days kasi she always asks to go out every night after work. So, na-enjoy ko naman siya kasi 1 month lang dito si Ate Steph and babalik na siya sa Thailand. So, yeah, you just have to cherish those people na nagtsatsaga sa ugali mo, yung mga taong when you made a mistake, ikaw correct ka nila. Kapag sumakses ka sa life, is pumapalakpak sila sa tabi mo, and those are the people na gugustuhin mong makasama pagtanda. And at the same time, sila din yung tao na yung dreams nila in life is nag-radiate. Kumbaga na-share nila sa'yo to the point na kahit ikaw is na-inspired to do so, to dream big for your family and for yourself. So, yeah, actually, they are, andun sila, Steffi and si Daet. Si Kuya Mario ata is asleep already. So, yeah, maybe later, papakita ko sila sa inyo. But, mag-refreshen up muna sila kasi halos mga walang tulog. Laban na laban yung mga atay nila kahapon because of their drinking session. Ako, I only drink tawag dito, multiple glass of tequila, and medyo masakit yung ulo kapag ginagalaw. And I guess that is because of lagnat pa rin. So, yeah, I'm just so grateful and happy that I have this set of people beside me every time that I have problem, every time that I have something to celebrate with. Sila talaga yung mga, they are one, kasi baka magtampoy nila akong best friend. They are one sa group of friends mo na maaasahan at all times. Utang naman, kahit utang yan, ipapautang sila. So if you want to be friends with them, papakilala ko sa inyo para makautang din kayo. So yeah, I love you later. Bye-bye.